Hi, so the next move we have after the main central, we're going to take our right hand and put it over our left shoulder. Then we're going to take our left hand and put it on our crease of our leg here. And just lay it there. You can bend your leg to make sure that you got the right area. And again, doing this in bed is a lot easier than standing or sitting. So make sure after the main central to do this one. Then we're going to flip sides. On the main central, we didn't flip sides. That is a very special flow. But for the following ones, there's always a left side and a right side. So we're going to flip it, taking the left hand, going over the right shoulder, and having your tips of your fingers touch that shoulder blade, the top of it, and your right hand on the crease. And after doing this for a minute, you can do it up to 5 minutes, depending on how your body feels. Now, doing this on the right side, it's basically the whole right side that is dealing with current day projects. I don't say problems, I say projects, so you can work on them. And your left side's anything from the past or genetics, including past lives. So for myself, I had a lot of projects on my left side, between my ankle, my knee, my hip. I had issues, and my back, upper back kind of bothered me a little bit too. And I never had any issues or projects on my right side. And after you do the front, then you go and do the back. So same thing, right hand over left shoulder and left hand on grabbing your sitting bone. But if you have a lot of padding back there, it's basically your butt cheek. Holding up your butt cheek will be what you want to hold on to. Now, if you're laying down, you just put your hand this way and lay on it. If this is not comfortable, flip your hand so it's this way. And once again, if this is too uncomfortable for you, then the fingers represent different parts of the body. So what I would do is circle your middle finger, have your thumb pad go over your middle finger nail, and that will represent your sitting bone or safety energy lock 25. So you do left side for a minute to 5 minutes, and then you do your right side. And you might feel something move, you might feel one side's easier to do than the other. This whole practice is to get to know you and your body. And with time, you will figure it out. So that is the left and right side supervisors. So that is it for that. Please back up on the main central that you're doing here with this, here, and here. All between 1 to 5 minutes apiece, before you get out of bed and before you go to bed. And if you have any projects in your body that you want a little bit more work on, then you can continue to do. There's no amount of time limitations when it comes to self-care. So you can do as long or as much as you want. Now, if I was a practitioner and I was working on you with remote healing, then we would need about an 8-hour window between sessions. But self-care, there's no limit. So go ahead and do the practice, and we'll see you later. Bye.